Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can get more FIFA points for FIFA mobile into any Android or iOS devices. So I have a modded version of FIFA mobile, which is FIFA Mobile Plus Plus, in which I can get unlimited FIFA points for the game. So the mod is working for any Android or iOS devices, no root or jailbreak is required. So as you can see, I've got the store opened on my FIFA Mobile Plus Plus mode APK, and as you can see, all the packages of the FIFA points are totally free. So to add more FIFA points, all I need to do is to click on any of those packages and the FIFA points will increase in my game. So right now I will add some FIFA points, maybe this package, and as you can see, my FIFA points counter is now increased, so I have more FIFA points for free. So let's do that again, and it is working really great. So I can keep adding FIFA points to this, to my personal account, and it is working just great. Okay, maybe now this. I can keep clicking to get more and more FIFA points. So how to get this awesome mod? So you need to go to this site, which is, as you can see on the watermark, modit.tab. This is the site which I got this mod from. So it is fully working, as you can see, and this is the modded version of FIFA Mobile. So this is the best way to get more FIFA points for FIFA Mobile game. So the mod is working for Android and iOS devices, so don't worry that I have iPhone right here, because if you have an Android device it will also work for you. So go there, download the FIFA Mobile Plus Plus, and you will get a lot of FIFA points for free. So it is working for 2023 right now, and yeah, I think that will be all for this video. So if you have any questions, or you don't know how to download this mod, you can use the tutorial from the mod site and check the tutorial. But if you still don't know how to download it, then write in the comment section and I will try to help you as I can. So that will be all for this video. This is the FIFA Mobile Plus Plus mode APK. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and take care.